Another episode of How Does a Trader Prepare Their Week. So today we're going to talk about checking the economic calendar. So you go to a website, whether Forex Factory, FX Street, investing.com. So you go to the economic indicator, you look at the days, kung ano yung mga lalabas na balita this week. So unang-una, why is this important? So a lot of traders nowadays are using technical analysis, meaning the study of the charts. So these so-called technical strategies will only work if the market is not crazy. So what makes the market crazy? These so-called economic news. So if you look at the left side of it, you can see the certain currencies that's gonna come out with a certain time on a certain day with a certain type of how big is the news. But if you look at the folders, the yellow folders says that it's a high, or it means it's a low impact news, while the orange folders says it's a medium impact news, and while the red means very high impact. So these so-called low to high impact will determine how the market will go crazy based when the data comes out. Kaya tayong mga traders, we tend to look at this before we go into the market, especially kasi maraming traders na nagkakaroon ng malaking losses or nasusunugan dahil pumapasok sila sa market na medyo magulo siya dahil sa mga so-called economic calendar. Okay? So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Episode 2 of How Does a Trader Prepare Their Week. All right.